Hello people on the internet, welcome to my channel. Today I'll explain to you how to download mods and how to install them for totally accurate battle simulator. Now this is actually fairly simple and I've seen a lot of videos that just don't make sense, so I'll just walk you through it, okay? Just follow my steps. So this link is up in the description and I would like you to open it. And once you've done that, I want you to open the UML. Choose your version and you will see something called assembly C#.dll. You want to download this file. Once you've done that, I want you to find, you can figure this part out for yourself, I want you to find the map where it says totally accurate battle simulator, and I want you to go to totally accurate battle simulator data. Go to managed and you will replace the recently downloaded assembly C#.dll file with your new one. You can just replace it. Now once you've done that, you can close this window and you can start up the game. Now once you've started up the game, I want you to close it down and it will have created a new map inside of the folder. Now the next thing you'll do is you'll go back to your drive. You're going to go to umods. Now let's say, which one are we going to pick? We want Beyblades. So we will download this link. Just go to downloads, it'll show. You can copy this and paste it inside of the umods folder. And this is basically it. You can close this window now or install more mods. I would go about it slowly because some don't work, and in the event that it doesn't work, you can just remove one that didn't work and you can replace it with a new one. So that was it. I hope this actually made sense, and I would highly appreciate it if you left a like or subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.